What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Maas Apeal, and did some shopping. And I'm gonna unbox this stuff that I bought the other day. Because as you all know, I am fashion conscious and I like shoes and I like things like that. So we're gonna do this unboxing. I treated myself to some shoes. Some shoes by Marc Nolan. Wow. Shoe bag. Marc Nolan shoe bag. It's a shoehorn. These bad boys are nice. Hand woven leather spectator boot. Wow. Those are really nice. Another Marc Nolan shoe bag. You all will probably never see me with these on, but yeah. Really nice. Marc Nolan, I love your shoes. So yeah, this is your boy Maas Apeal with an unboxing, some new fashion stuff that I got. Y'all have a great day.